In this video, I will show you how to download Google Sheet as an Excel sheet. So let's get started with the video. Once we are done creating the Google Sheet, to download the Google Sheet as a Microsoft Excel sheet, we need to select the File option in the top menu bar. Next, we need to select Download tab. And again, we need to select Microsoft Excel option from the list, which will open up this window. We can give an appropriate name for the Excel sheet and save it to the desktop. And done. Here it is, the Google Sheet, saved as an Excel sheet on our desktop. We can open and edit this Excel sheet like any other Excel worksheet with Microsoft Excel. And we are done with this Google Sheet video. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.